How to fix battery drain in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on battery and then scroll down and here you can see your battery draining apps. Now click on app who use most battery and here you can first stop a app. After that, go back and search here RAM expansion. Now click on it. If you turn on your RAM expansion, then turn it off. After turn off your RAM expansion, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.